Hello everyone, good to see you all again. It's Thursday, and that means we gotta look at our calendar for all things Thursday. And for all things Thursday, this time it says write the CVC words on the line. Okay, what are CVC words? Well, let's go ahead and let's pause for a second before we look at our paper and let's talk about what is a CVC word. That means consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay. Students know a consonant is a letter that has one sound. A vowel has two sounds, and again, consonant with one sound. Okay. So here's some examples. The C for both sides doesn't matter. They have B, C, D, G, F, H, J. Those are some letters. Z, S. Those are all letters that have just one sound, okay? But a vowel, these ones written in green, A, E, I, O, and U, those 5 letters are vowels and they have two sounds, okay? So A can say ah, and it can say its name, A. Same thing for the rest. They can say their sound and they all say their name, okay? And then again, consonant sound at the end. So if we practice, which is what we're going to be doing, we've got this paper here. This is what your worksheet looks like. And of course, always start by writing your name at the top. And it says, write the words on the line. Okay, so you got to look at the picture in the tummy of the bug. Okay, that's what we're actually looking at. But bug by itself is a CVC word. Okay, so we'll look at these. I'm not going to write mine on the paper. I have my whiteboard that we're going to do together to figure these out. But that's what we're looking at. We're looking at the tummy's picture of the bug. Okay. So I've recreated them on my big whiteboard and with a little drawing of each. And so that should help us when we're figuring out what we're going to be writing. Okay. So what you should be thinking about as we're doing this is not so much focus on the drawing, but figure out what the CVC letters are. Okay. So I'm going to use a red marker to write these out. So we'll start with our first one here. The picture is of a log. O-A-G. CVC words are all 3 letters long. O-A-G. Okay. So my first sound I hear is O. Alpha friend that says O is Larry Lion. So that's going to be my L. Then my next sound, O-A. What vowel says ah? Is it A, E, I, O, or U? Ah, the octopus. That's letter O. O, ah, and the last one, G. O, ah, G, G, G. Gertie goose. Letter G. O, ah, G. I'm only going to do the first 4. The rest I'm going to leave to you to figure out. I'm not going to do all of these for you. This is something for you to do today, but I will tell you what each of the pictures are in case you're confused. Okay. This one here is a fan. When it gets really hot in the summertime and you need some cool air on you, you use a fan and it blows air. So my sounds are f, a, n. F-a-n. First sound, f, Fifi fish, F. F. An. An has the A and N sound put together. That's a word family. An. A-n, A and N. F-a-n. Good. Next one, bat. That's a bat. Like if you play baseball or softball, then, which is one of my favorite sports, this is what you use to hit the ball. Okay, it's called a bat. Spelled the same way for the creature that can fly. Okay, so bat has, again, CVC. B, a, t. Okay, first sound, B. Benny Bear. B. Next sound, B. Ah. Which vowel says ah? Is it A, E, I, O, or U? A says ah, Andy Apple. And my last sound, B. Ah, T, 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 T. Tiggy Tiger. T. B. At. Nice. Okay, we'll do this last one here, and then I'm going to let you finish the last of them. I'll say what the words are, what the pictures are, in case you need some help. Last one here we've got, this is a tag. Spelled the same way as the game that you can play at recess where you touch somebody else, which we always ask permission first, right? Tag. T-A-G. Well, I heard that first sound, t, Tiggy Tiger again. T, ah. Which vowel says ah? That's right, Andy Apple, ah. And the last sound, t, ag. Gertie Goose, G. Tag. Log, fan, bat, tag. Okay, the rest I'm going to let you figure out, but I will say what the words are. This word is rug. Rug. Down here, the picture of the bunny is not of the bunny. It's what the bunny is doing. Hop. Bunnies hop. The word is hop. This one here is what the scissor is doing. What does a scissor do? It cut. Okay? It cuts. So the word is cut. Again, this one here, it's not the head, which sounds like a CVC word, ed, but it's not that. It's what the mannequin head has on top. It's called a wig. Wig. Last one here, we've got bed. And this one can seem kind of confusing, but it is a map. A map. Okay? So we have rug, hop, cut, wig, bed, map for you to finish up on your own. Okay, next thing we're going to be doing is a story time. Because today is Thursday, and every Thursday, Mr. Simonson has been doing a gardening update. What better book to read today than Over in the Garden? Over in the Garden by Jennifer Ward and illustrated by Kenneth Spengler. Over in the Garden. Let's read it. Over in the Garden. Beautiful illustrations. First thing it says here is, hey kids, look for the hidden number on each page. Ooh, interesting. Over in the garden, in the early morning sun, lived a mother praying mantis and her little mantis one. Pounce, said the mother. I pounce, said the one. So they pounced and they hunted in the early morning sun. Does anyone see the number that's hidden? Over in the garden where the sunflowers grew, lived a mother ladybug and her little beetles too. Crawl, said the mother. We crawl, said the two. So they crawled over pearls where the sunflowers grew. Do you see the hidden number? That's right. 2. Over in the garden near the old shady tree lived a mother dragonfly and her little dragons 3. Zip, said the mother. We zip, said the 3. So they zipped and they zoomed near the old shady tree. Do you see the number 3? Right there. Yeah, that's it. Over in the garden on the damp earthly floor lived a quiet mother snail and her baby snails 4. Slither, said the mother. We slither, said the 4. So they slithered and they slid on the damp earthy floor. Do you see the number 4? It's a fancy 4 right there. Over in the garden where the apple blossoms thrive lived a colony of bees and their little bees 5. Buzz, said the workers. We buzz, said the 5. So they buzzed and they flew where the apple blossoms fly. Can you find the number 5? I'll let you find it this time. Over in the garden where the vines and berries mix lived a little mother spider and her baby spiders 6. Jump, said the mother. We jump, said the 6. So they jumped through the garden where the vines and berries mix. Can you find the number 6? Right there. If you didn't find the number 5, I'll show you. Right there. Over in the garden where the flowers grow toward heaven lived a mother butterfly and her caterpillar 7. Nimble, said the mother. We nibble, said the 7. So they nibbled and they climbed where the flowers grow toward heaven. Can you find the number 7? Over in the garden by the old wooden gate lived a mother roly-poly and her little babies 8. Roll, said the mother. We roll, said the 8. So they rolled and they curled up the old wooden gate. Can you find the number 8? Over in the garden on the long curly vine crawled a group of soldier ants and their little workers 9. March, said the soldiers. We march, said the 9. So they marched and they crawled up the long curly vine. Can you find the number 9? Over in the garden where the moon shines again lived a mother firefly and her little beetles 10. Glow, said the mother. We glow, said the 10. So they glowed and they flashed where the moon shines again. Can you find the number 10? The end. Here are some fun facts that you could learn if you check out this book from a library. You can learn about ants, arachnids, arthropods, bees, beetles, praying mantis, roly-polies. These are all the creatures that were found in our story. The end. See you next time. Have a great day. Bye.